Understanding cow pie toss, a fun English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very unique and humorous English phrase, cow pie toss. This might sound strange if you're new to English, but don't worry, we'll explore its meaning and usage together. Let's get started. Cow pie toss refers to a game or activity where participants throw cow pies, which are, in fact, dried cow dung, as far as they can. It might sound a bit gross, but it's a part of folk festivals in some countries, especially in rural areas. This phrase is not just about the literal game. It's often used metaphorically to describe situations that are messy, ridiculous, or challenging. The phrase, cow pie toss, comes from rural traditions, where cow pies, dried cow manure, are abundant. It's a game that turns a common farm element into something fun and competitive. Understanding this origin helps non-native speakers grasp why English speakers might use this phrase in a playful or humorous context. Let's look at some examples of how to use cow pie toss in everyday conversation. 1. Metaphorical use. Planning this event was like a cow pie toss. Everything was chaotic and messy. 2. Literal reference. At the fair, they're having a cow pie toss competition. In some cultures, games like the cow pie toss might seem odd, but they're a part of local traditions and festivities. Similar phrases or activities in different cultures might have equivalent expressions, so it's fascinating to compare them with cow pie toss. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the phrase, cow pie toss. It's a fun example of how colorful and diverse the English language can be. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about the culture and humor behind them. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.